County in north-central Texas, eastern Eastland County in north-central Texas, west-central Bosque County in central Texas, Comanche County in central Texas, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gorman to near Comanche, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near to Leon and Proctor Lake around 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Dublin around 9:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Stephenville around 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hyco around 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bluffdale around 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Iredell around 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Alexander, Kokomo, Claret, Olin, Staff, Harvin, Lingleville, Duster, Dufow, and Edna Hill. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 340 and 347. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill.